Hello everyone! Welcome to our walking tour around one of London's most iconic historical landmarks, the Tower of London. We started our walk at the Tower of London Welcome Centre, the perfect place to begin exploring this incredible area. From here, you immediately feel the atmosphere of centuries of the history surrounding the tower. If you are visiting London for the first time, we recommend skipping the paid visit inside the Tower of London. Of course, it's filled with fascinating historical artifacts, including the crown jewels, but tickets can be quite expensive. For young children with lots of energy, the visit may feel a bit long and less engaging. Instead, you can enjoy walking around the tower from the outside. Admire its impressive architecture and explore the surrounding area at your own pace, while still experiencing much of its history and atmosphere. While I stayed with the boys, who were happily playing soccer right in front of its historic site, my husband made a quick detour to explore the London Wall area. His first stop was the Timepiece Sundial on Tower Hill in Wakefield Gardens. This unique monument combines traditional sundial design with modern elements and serves as a reminder of how people measure time long before clocks and smartphones existed. The location also offers beautiful views of the Tower London fortress walls. Nearby stands the statue of Emperor Trajan, a reminder of London's Roman past and the ancient influencers that helped shape the city. Then he continued to the remains of the Roman Wall and London Wall. These ancient defenses once protected the Roman city of Londinium and are among the oldest surviving landmarks in London today. Walking alongside these walls, it's like stepping back near 2,000 years into London's early history. An added bonus is that the area provides direct access to the London Underground, making it easy to continue exploring other parts of the city after your visit. Next, we pass the area of the Royal Menagerie. Many people don't know that the Tower of London was once home to a collection of exotic animals, including lions, elephants, and other creatures gifted to English monarchs. The royal animals lived here for centuries before the collection moved to another location. We were lucky with the weather. It was a beautiful sunny day in the beginning of March, which felt almost unbelievable for London. Along the River Thames and around the Tower of London, you'll find plenty of food trucks, snack bars, and quick dining options. It's a convenient area to grab a bite while exploring the city. However, we found something even better. Just beyond Tower Bridge, we discovered a quieter spot with fewer crowds, where we could relax and enjoy our meal away from the busy tourist areas. Sometimes, taking a short walk beyond the main attraction leads to the best experiences. Keep on watching this video to discover more about this place. From there, we continue towards the middle Drawbridge, one of the famous entrances to the tower. This was an important access point for visitors, soldiers, and royal arrivals throughout history. Our walk then brought us close to Tower Bridge, one of London's most recognizable landmarks. stopped for a short break at Vicinity London, bar and restaurant, where you can relax with a fantastic view of the river.
Tu fais mouiller tes mains?
Comme ça.
De quoi?
Des coins.
Non, non, non. C'est interdit. Tu peux tomber dans l'eau.
The boys played nearby at the Girl and the Dolphin sculpture and the Timepiece Sundial, two interesting details that are easy to miss while exploring this busy area.
Attention. Non, non, non. Viens ici. Thank you.
We also walked around Tower Bridge, but you can watch that part in a separate video where we explore the bridge and its surroundings in more detail. Check the link above or in the video description. From Tower Bridge, you get one of the best views of the Tower of London, with the modern business district skyscrapers rising just behind it. In my opinion, this is one of the most representative views of London, showing the perfect combination of the past and the future, ancient history and modern architecture, all in one place. After crossing around the area, we continued along the eastern side of the Tower of London, enjoying views of the massive fortress walls from outside. Our route continued along the northern wall, bringing us back towards Tower Hill. This side of the tower gives a completely different perspective, with impressive views of the medieval defenses. Finally, we finished our walk at the City of London Dragon Boundary Mark, a small but fascinating symbol marking the historic boundary of the City of London. This was a beautiful walk through thousands of years of London's history, combining Roman remains, medieval architecture, royal stories, and some of the best views along the River Thames. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to explore the next part of our London adventure. Like and subscribe.